Hey there! Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be taking a look at smart homes 2035. Living in the future is now possible with these incredible smart home technologies that are available today. Whether you want to control your appliances with your voice or automate your entire home security system, there are so many options to choose from. So let's get started. The first thing that will make your life easier is smart lighting. Imagine being able to control the lights in your home with just a few taps on your smartphone. With smart bulbs, you can do just that. Not only that, but you can also set up automatic schedules for your lights so they turn on and off when you want them to without having to touch a switch. And if you're feeling really lazy, you could even ask a voice assistant to do it for you. Some examples of smart bulbs include the Lift Smart Bulb and the Whiz Connected Light Bulb. Next up is smart thermostats. These handy devices allow you to control the temperature in your home from anywhere using your phone. You can also set schedules and automations to ensure that your home is always at the perfect temperature when you arrive. For example, you could have your thermostat automatically turn down the heat at night to save energy and then turn it back up in the morning before you wake up. Some great options for smart thermostats include the Nest Learning Thermostat and the Ecobee Smart Thermostat. Now let's talk about smart security. With smart home security systems, you can keep an eye on your home and property from anywhere in the world. These systems typically include cameras, motion sensors, and other devices that can be integrated into a single app on your phone. This allows you to view live streams of your cameras, receive alerts when motion is detected, and even speak to visitors at your door through a video doorbell. Some popular smart home security systems include Ring and Nest Secure. We all love our furry friends, but sometimes they can get into trouble when we're not around. That's where smart pet tech comes in. From smart feeders to smart water dispensers and even smart litter boxes, there are so many options to choose from. These devices can help you monitor your pet's eating and drinking habits and ensure that they're always taken care of even when you're not home. Some examples of smart pet tech include the Wemo Smart Pet Feeder and the PetNet Smart Pet Water Fountain. Finally, we have smart appliances. These energy-efficient appliances use technology to monitor and control energy usage, making them a great option for eco-conscious consumers. Smart appliances can also be integrated into a smart home system, which allows for even more control and automation. For example, you could have your dishwasher automatically start running when your washing machine finishes a cycle so that you always have clean dishes. Some brands that offer smart appliances include Samsung, LG, and GE. So there you have it. Just a few of the ways that you can bring the future of smart homes into your own home today. Whether you want to control your appliances with your voice, automate your lighting, or keep an eye on your home and property from anywhere in the world, there are so many options to choose from. Which smart home technology will you be adding to your home? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.